Hello everyone, welcome back. What I have here is I've made this signal, a dual signal, using some plastic ABS tube, 3mm, and a couple of LED pairs. And believe it or not, the base is made out of Lego. I'm not good with working with plastic like I was when I was younger making models, so I thought I can just use some Legos for the base. And it has a little weight to it. Very simple. You can see the blocks there. And on the bottom, where the wires come out, I've got a 510 resistor. Each wire has, each LED has its own wire for each color and a common ground. And so there's 5 wires, and they're all independent. And it's controlled right now by a simple Arduino sketch that I have running here on this Nano. I have the infrared project that I'm going to incorporate this in, but right now I just wanted to build this little prototype. It's kind of ugly, and perhaps I'll make another one later, but I wanted a signal for my tracks. And that's it. Thank you for watching.